Hello everybody, this is Barbara B. I am back. I am here to show you a refresher. I have yogurt over here. I'll have this later. A refresher on the Braille cell. Let me turn over here. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I feel like I have been going on too fast in my explanations of Braille. I feel like I need to be more patient, and I don't expect you guys to get it overnight. So we're gonna start from the beginning. This right here, this cube with the 6 dots in it, is known as the Braille cell. And an example that I got was when I was looking through my dominoes collection was this one. And preferably, you can look at either one, but I was gonna look at the top row. And this block with the 6 dots in it is the foundation for Braille. So what that essentially means is this Braille cell is used in order to create, with these 6 dots within it, is used in order to create the alphabet. So this 6 dots, which again is dots. Where did I put you? Here it is. 1, 2, in fact, let me write out the numbers. Get off pen. Open, hang on, let me put this down. I can't get it with one hand, sorry. Got it, sorry. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, I'm a lefty, 5, and 6. Starting from the top left-hand corner, going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 dots are known as the Braille cell, which is this. That's what this is. And when we are making letters, for example, let's say you wanted to do just, let's say the word, well, I can write out Braille or I can write out cell. Well, let's just do something simple. I was drawing a cat in the back of this. That's why you see the sketch of the cat. Let's write the word cat. So in print, we know it is C-A-T. Cat, the letter T I have not taught to you, but this is just to give you an example. So the dot combination for C is dots 1 and 4. And what it'll look like is that. So the 2 dots next to each other on the top half of the Braille cell or your foundation is C. So we are going to write dots 1 and 4. And we know when we see it visually, or when you slide your fingers, your index fingers and your middle finger across the Braille cell, you will be able to actually recognize or visually recognize what the dots represent, which letter. So A is only the first dot on the top left-hand corner. So we would go dot 1. Now keep this foundation in mind. So C, 1 and 4. Boom. A, alone. Just this dot alone. And T, again, I have not taught you T, but I will teach it to you now for the sake of demonstration. For the sake of demonstration. Equals 2, 3, 4, So the dots, I'm sorry, I'm just going to mark this up. 2, so we know this is omitted, that's why I'm pressing down on it, and this one would be omitted. So it would be, so we know our Braille cell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and for T, we would use 2, 3, and go up on the top right hand corner, 4 and 5. So it would essentially look like this. So 2, 3 that are first on the bottom half, middle and bottom half of the Braille cell, and 4 and 5. Cat. That is essentially how I'll even draw like a cute little picture. Excuse me for my crappy art. I'm sorry. Whatever, you get it. Collar, whatever. So cat. C, 1, 4, A, 1, T, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's essentially how this works. So again, if you need me to go back and do more videos on rediscussing the alphabet before we move on to lessons P, Q, and R, then I can do that. Thank you so much. Please leave me your comments below and let me know how I did. If this was made a little bit easier, I hope it was. Again, I'm doing my best, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.